Good morning, friends. I am Dr. Jagdish Shah, a senior physician and acupuncturist from Bombay. You will wonder why a doctor, qualified allopathic doctor, has diversified into acupuncture treatment. See, it's our common observation that patients with chronic diseases of mind and body, like headache, migraine, spondylitis, sciatica, and anxiety, depression, phobias, even addictions, they shuttle from one specialist to other. They undergo a lot of blood tests, a lot of radiological tests, a lot of scans. At the end, nothing is found. The treatment is given. More and more tests are being done on them like a guinea pig. And sometimes the treatment outcome is more dangerous than the disease itself. And the patients lose their patience. Now, as a doctor who is practicing for last 40 years, I have developed a kind of allergy towards modern medicine because at the end of the day, we do not have full answers to certain diseases, and not only that, but we make it more complicated. And patients again they shuttle from physician to orthopedic surgeons to neurologists and finally psychiatrists. This is an unfortunate story of allopathic medications, which I have seen for last so many years in practice. So, a scientific mind like mine will try to think what is the alternative, and we have found this alternative in alternative medical sciences. So, I started trying to explore these alternative medical sciences, and basically, as I have started my career as an anesthesiologist, which mainly deals in pain relief, I developed little like more interest in this particular science and tried to find out solutions for the diseases which are more or less incurable with allopathic medical sciences. Now, talking about acupuncture, it's a safe, simple, easy, and economical alternative to allopathic medical sciences. Why I'm saying that is because the treatment of the disease, what do you mean by disease, is not ease, dis-ease. So finally, when you are not at ease, it is called disease. So you have to ease this disease. Unfortunately, in medical science or other modern medical science like allopathy, sometimes this is not treated, rather producing more unease, that is more disease than the original one, and that is the problem of modern medicine. I have nothing against modern medical sciences or allopathy. Let me be very clear in the beginning. It's a very good science for acute diseases, acute infections. But 90% of our problems are chronic problems like migraine, like sciatica, like depression, like anxiety, like sleeplessness, like phobias, like addiction. Why do the addictions occur? Because when you can't treat a problem of anxiety and depression automatically patients start taking alcohol or smoking or other drugs just to relieve their anxiety and depression, which springs out of the chronic problem which they suffer, like headache, migraine, anxiety, that is a psychological disorder, or certain phobias where there is no disease which is existing, but patient develops fear for something like height, or some phobias of fire, or some phobias of water, where there is no reasonable solution, reasonable treatment in allopathic medical sciences. So finally, when patients they take even certain anxiety drugs, they get addicted to those anxiety drugs in long run. Now, what is the acceptance of this in our global situation? So as I see as of today, practically all the developed countries like USA, UK, European countries, Australia, New Zealand, they've accepted. Even the mediclaim people, they have involved this particular strategy, this particular sciences in their healthcare system because of its viability, because of its effects, and because of the economy. That means, if I have to say or generalize in one line, the treatment with acupuncture, if it is involved, it will be 1% of the total budget of the globe for allopathic medical sciences. As I always say that 99% of the diseases are treatable with acupuncture. So 1% remains and 99% can be treated with acupuncture. So finally, the medical budget, which is estimated to about 100 trillions, okay, will come down by 99%. So what is the benefit that you can understand and you can calculate the economic aspect of it? Now, as I tell in my to my students in my lectures wherever I go, that if this budget, medical budget, is saved, no one on the earth will sleep without food at any given time. If we use the money for our poor people. Now, if you can understand the application of this particular medical science, alternative medical science, that is acupuncture, is it treats the diseases of body like sciatica, like headache, like backache, body ache, all the aches and pains in general. Very good pain reliever. That is number one. Number two is it relieves psychological problems like schizophrenia, like phobias, like obsessive compulsive disorders, and anxiety and depression. Moreover, it treats psychosomatic conditions like angina pectoris, like acidity or ulcers, like ulcerative colitis, and bronchial asthma. So it the range is very big. And if it is scientifically done, and scientific people who are trained in allopathy are again trained in acupuncture, I think the results would be very great. And as I said, all the incorporations all over the world now, including Mediclaim people, they have started using acupuncture in their day-to-day management of the diseases at the OPD level, and have witnessed quite a bit of economy, have witnessed quite a bit of relief in terms of patient satisfaction. And as it is said that the main treatment of the patient basically is empathy. So, as an acupuncturist, you treat the disease with empathy, remove the root cause of pain rather than just put a band-aid like allopathy, just try and treat the symptom. So that band-aid treatment doesn't work. It's a eyewash as I feel. So rather than just simply treating the symptom, if we can treat the disease from its roots with empathy, uh, that is what is needed, and that is what heals the patient's problems. Dear friends, I request basically all of you to try this novel medical science, as it increases immunity to a very great extent. And during this corona pandemic, what works is increase immunity, nothing else. No medication so far for last 6 months is effective, as effective as increase immunity. And this increase in immunity happens, or it can be developed with acupuncture treatment at certain points. So I suggest all the people to get acupuncture treatment and ask their doctors to give them acupuncture points, or other pressure on acupuncture points, or rather you can learn these points on your own and try to pressurize these particular points, apply pressure and try to do it by yourself, which can be done, which is not having any side effects, as it is just a pressure. Please do not try needles and other things, lasers and other things can be tried by doctor, or should be tried by doctor rather. A person, as long as he has a pressure points, and the pressure on those points will not give any problem. So finally, if at all I have to sum up, all chronic disorders should be treated with acupuncture by a specialist doctor, by a specialized person who knows or who is qualified in acupuncture. And if that is done, I think most of our problems, most of our diseases can be solved, can be cured rather, and the patients will get a lot of relief. What is acupuncture then? Acupuncture is a point, I mean, a pressure or puncture on a point. Acu is a point, puncture is putting a needle. Say I have a point here for migraine, I'll put a needle here, or in short, I'll just put a pressure here. That's acupuncture. But there are thousands of points on the body, and like we select medicine in allopathy, we select points on our body and try to give a prescription of those points depending upon the diseases and treat the patient's ailment. So, dear friends, once again, I'm summing up the whole thing that 99% of our day to day disorders are treatable with acupuncture treatment. 1% of the acute illnesses have to be treated by allopathy. And if we try and do this, we save a lot of money. That is number one. Number two, and which is very important, is we do not have or will not have serious side effects caused by modern medicine. Thank you very much. God bless you all.